The way you check out with WIC Foods depends on where you shop. Larger grocery stores typically have cash register systems that allow checkout with WIC Foods and other items in the same transaction. In some small stores, you may need to separate your WIC Foods from other foods you buy. Ask the cashier if you should separate your WIC Foods. In larger chain stores, use your WIC card first. After all items have been scanned and you know the total, slide your WIC card in the reader at the register. Check the card reader or wait for a printed receipt to see the list of foods being deducted from your card. It is important to review the foods on this receipt or screen. Make sure there are no food items missing that you expected WIC to pay for. You can ask the cashier to remove any food items not covered by WIC, or you can pay for it with another payment type. If the cashier removed items from the WIC transaction, a new total will show on the card reader screen. Slide your card again and review the WIC foods. If everything looks right, approve the payment. Once you purchase your WIC foods, they will be removed from your monthly benefits. Pay for your remaining foods with another payment type, like cash, SNAP, or credit. Your final receipt will show the foods still available for purchase on your WIC card. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If you already approved a transaction and then realize a food was not covered by WIC, you are not required to pay for it with another payment type. If you prefer, you can ask the cashier to void the transaction. Asking for a void means that the cashier will start over from the beginning, re-ringing all the foods from your transaction. You can save time by carefully reviewing the list of foods WIC will cover before approving the WIC payment. Once you leave the checkout lane, the store cannot change your WIC transaction. And if you mistakenly pay for WIC-allowed foods with another payment type, WIC cannot reimburse you. Self-checkout for WIC foods is allowed at some stores, but not all. Ask store staff before you use self-checkout with your WIC card. The self-checkout process is similar to checkout with a cashier. For fresh produce that is bulk, bag it yourself and not prepackaged, look for a sticker on the fruit or vegetable itself. You will find a 4 or 5-digit number called a price lookup code, PLU for short. Do not scan these stickers. Instead, enter the PLU on the register screen. The produce may not deduct from your WIC card if you scan the PLU sticker at the register. If you have problems at checkout, save all receipts. Take pictures of the UPC or PLU numbers of foods that you expected WIC to pay for but your card did not cover. Call the WIC office to report what happened. To make sure your checkout process goes smoothly, get acquainted with the My Minnesota WIC app before your first shopping trip. After you download it, register your card with the app. You can scan barcodes in the app to verify that the foods you choose are covered by your WIC benefits. If you do not register your WIC card before you shop, the scanner in the app might not accurately indicate which foods your benefits cover. Be sure to prepare before you shop. When you first start shopping with your WIC card, you might want to start slowly. Check the shopping guide or shopping tips in the app to learn which foods are WIC allowed. Try smaller transactions to learn how the process works.